Hello, hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome in. It is Dion at the Blushing Mint. I am I am going to say I am mostly finished with my first flip-flop style journal, and so I thought I would do a quick flip through of this journal. It is mostly unembellished. I thought, you know what? Whoever receives this journal, or if I even get rid of this journal, I don't even know what I'm going to do with this one, but it leaves a lot of room for personalization. I think that's so important because sometimes we fill our journals so chock full with things that it overwhelms the receiver. And while this is very full, it's very chunky, it's ginormous, I feel like there's a lot that could be done with this journal still. So anyway, I thought I would just flip you through what it looks like and where it is at. So front cover, we have this beautiful, beautiful image, nice, lovely large pocket here, a lovely, what do you call these things? Gosh, just completely lost it. Whatever this thing here is, yeah, got that on the front. Lots of lace trims on all the edges here. Lovely chiffon ribbon in a light pink. Just gorgeous. Just an absolutely gorgeous cover. It just, oh my gosh. And this journal is 100% Ruby and Pearl XO. So thank you, Heather at Ruby and Pearl XO. This is from the Les Artistes kit and the Creme Brulee kit from Ruby and Pearl XO. I will try to remember to link those below when I do this. These are gorgeous. And so then that envelope flips over and we've got another lovely image. This is from the Creme Brulee kit. Gorgeous. And we have a belly band here. My tag might be a little large. So we have a belly band here. And then on our first flip here, this is our first signature. So this is the first signature. We've got, oh, I need to put my little, this book belongs to here. And then I think I also have this to where there's a tuck behind that as well. Flip out, so tons of journaling, some stenciling. That's hard to see. I'm not sure why my lights are making that a little hard to see the stenciling there. This kit, the colors are just gorgeous. Then I've got some ribbon or lace here, lace trims. Geez, Louise. I literally, this journal is just gorgeous. Tuck here, flips, lots of flips, lots of belly bands, lots of add-ins, just complete gorgeousness. Another tuck spot here. I mean, just look, it's luscious. It's just, the colors are beautiful. The images are just stunning. And there's tons of space to journal in here. Got a little doily. Got my own coffee dyed, lace dyed papers. Pocket there. Some very, very vintage, actually these are antique encyclopedia pages. Gosh, lost my words. Gosh. Haven't filmed in forever, so it's hard. Some wildflower or herbal book pages. I have not put charms on this yet. I'm not sure what charms I'm going to put on here, so I need to add my charms. But for the most part, what I'm doing inside this journal is done. Look at that, just gorgeous, gorgeous. Another little flip out here. And then you turn it over, it flips out. There's some stenciling, a different style of lace trims. I don't even know. I think there's like 4 or 5 different lace trims in here. They're just gorgeous. And then we've done the decoupage on the music pages. And so they feel like fabric inside the journal. Just a stunning journal. Stunning, stunning. Another flip out here. And this is a French ledger page from Paris Gal 59. Oh, I think is her name on Etsy. Yeah, gorgeous. Gorgeous. And just look how, oh my gosh. I don't even know. I don't even have words. This is a stunning journal. Okay, first signature, finished. First signature. Moving on, this is the back of the third signature, but we've got a lovely belly band there with some more images. I've used Tim Holtz fabric tapes on the spines in different areas. This is a lovely tuck spot. This is also a quotes kit from Heather at Ruby and Pearl XO. I will link all the kits below in this video. This is my second signature now. And again, no words to describe how gorgeous. This is antique dictionary page with an image from the creme brulee kit. A little pocket here. More of the herb book page. Some more flip outs of dyed graph paper. The creme brulee kit. This is stencil dyed or stenciled on the back of this ledger paper. My coffee dyed paper pocket. More of our laces. This is a cute little, just a little flip out here. Little something extra. Add some journaling space. That antique encyclopedia page. More of the images. Some more of the decoupaged music paper here. Again, I need to add my charms in. I've left plenty of space when I sewed the signatures in so that I could add charms. And then this comes across the back here. And I love how it just ties all these colors together, the pinks, the blues. Oh, gorgeous. Tons and tons of space to journal on here. Just tons. I actually think this is tea-dyed lace. This is another one of Heather's kits as well. I believe it's called tea-dyed lace. I'll link them, I promise. I have to go find them all, but I'll link them. And then some more of my lace-dyed papers, another pocket. So there's tons of places to just add your own mementos and photos and special letters, etc. This is that stencil on the back of this ledger page, the creme brulee kit, coffee dyed graph paper, another little pocket in here, more of those different laces that we're using. So what do I got? At least three different styles of lace in here. Another pocket here. That is the back of the second signature. We have a large belly band here. Then another image from that creme brulee, and then it flips over and we've got another belly band here to tuck things in, and then we're at our third signature. So this one here, nice big pocket here, music paper, the floral and herb page, pocket here. I don't even have words. I haven't looked at this in probably over a month, and I am just in awe of how beautiful it is. It was laying on top of one of my shelves, and I'm finally back in my shed I'm spending most of a day in here. It's July 27th, and I'm spending most of my day in my shed today. So I saw this journal and I'm like, oh, Lord, it is gorgeous. Ledger paper for journaling, stenciled on the back. Big pocket here, and this is some stencil dyed, stencil painted dictionary page. Gorgeous. Little tuck here. This is the center of the signature. I mean, oh, Heather, they're gorgeous. They're just gorgeous images. I just don't even know what to say. It's just gorgeous. Tuck spot there. A little tuck spot here. A little flip out. Stenciling. I truly don't know if I'm going to be able to give this one away. I just don't. I don't know if I'm going to give this one up. It's just, it is a stunner. Pocket there. And this is all just Heather at Ruby and Pearl XO. They're beautiful. Beautiful, Heather. Beautiful. Tuck spot. More of the napkin decoupaged music paper. These just turned out gorgeous. And with this kit, it's just, the colors are just, it's just beautiful. I mean, look, if you flip that, it's like they all belong together. It's like it all came together. And this feels like fabric. Tuck spot. End of the third signature. We've got another pocket here with another one of those quote cards. And then look, we're right back to the beginning. So my very first flip-flop journal, I am in love with it. I cannot say enough about it. This is an applique, friends. That's the word I was trying to come up with. This is a little applique with a little pearl on it. Heather at Ruby and Pearl, I just thought that the little pearl on the front of it just tied this whole entire thing together. And it is so, it's just so beautiful. I can't thank Heather enough for the digitals that she created. I'm not associated with her channel or anything. I purchased these myself. I'd love to be on her design team because, oh my gosh, her digitals are amazing. I think I have all of them. I'm slightly obsessed. So anyway, friends, this is my first ever flip-flop journal. 3 signatures, and I'm so happy with it. And I hope you guys love how this turned out. And watch, you never know. I may give it away. I may keep it. I may put it on my website. I don't really know, friends. It's mine for now. It's mine for now. So thank you for joining me. I hope you love this. Please give me a thumbs up if you loved it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would so appreciate it. And comment below. Tell me what you think of this beauty. Please, I'd love to hear your comments on what you think of this gorgeous journal, my first ever flip-flop journal. So thank you, friends. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you all. Have a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.